Hi, once again, this is the Teknetics Omega 8000. We're going to talk about notching. It's done through the notch button. Notching is simply pre-programmed through Teknetics, techniques, if you want to call them, whatever. And it's going to get rid of this pre-programmed scale that they devise. I also can do a discrimination, which is part of, you could say, notching, where I can remove part of the scale going up. Let me turn her on. I got it in auto mode. Let me ground. Set the ground. Now that's going to go up because of my concrete floor again. But I'm going to have to take it off auto, all metals, and go to notching. Now notching, I'm going to hit, there's one up here, it's iron, foil, nickel, pull tabs. I think I've talked about that before, but I'm going to notch out iron. I'll do this real quick because on the floor in front of us is a nail, a ring, a washer, and that's a zinc washer. So that's going to think it's probably iron, or it's going to come in as a quarter because it's pretty big. A mercury dime, I have some other pieces, a silver ring, a zinc, a nickel, regular nickel, and a dreaded pull tab up there in the corner. But let's do this real quick and so you can see what happens. Now I'll go over these guys. Turn this up a little bit. That's the washer, kind of acting crazy sounds. There's the dime, there's the ring, no nail. Now I'm moving this around so I'm picking up some of the pieces next to it. There's silver, pull tab, nickel, penny, dime. Okay, so one of the things with notching, let me turn that back on. I can turn it back on. So I've got iron again, go right over to the nail. You can hear the sound of the nail. Okay, not a nice sound. But I can notch that through discrimination, and I'm going to take it up to about 22. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's gone. Here's the dime, the washer, the ring, so on. So we don't lose, my point is we don't lose everything. Although we have iron in there, iron up to a certain point. And the reason why you want to pay attention to that is because I want to say some gold will come in the high 40s. So if I go too high up in the 40s, let's say I go up to 46, let's see what I lose. I still have some of these other products. You also see my gold or my iron labels missing right below foil. I'm still hitting my ring, no iron. Got my silver, got my pull tab. So, in all effect, I've got all my other items I wanted to get, but I'm releasing them through the discrimination. And that's going to be up to you. If you don't like the notch on this machine, great machine, then go ahead and use the discrimination and kind of bump it up and down. And that's all I'm going to say for notching. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. You can see it's a button right up underneath here, underneath the skin, and it works really well. And of course, notching doesn't work when I'm in the all tones mode, all metals. I can't stop that. You want if you have that turned off, then you want to hear everything, and that's the bottom line. If you want to hear everything, it's just going crazy. See, guys? So stay tuned. Hopefully this notching for the Teknetics was a little better than the ones I've done in the past. Sorry for the jerking around on the pictures. And if you have any questions, you can go on the Teknetics sites. I think it's teknetics2.com. They are made by First Texas. Also make Fisher and Bounty Hunter. These are great machines. Any other questions, you can maybe leave me a bump on it and I'll give you some info. But I did this for the beginners, the guys who buy the machine or are looking at this machine. and they want to compare it. And it's pretty easy. You saw how quick it was for me. I've had this for about 2 months, and I'm getting better at it. See ya.